everyone, how are you? I was just dusting off my fairy wings for Christmas in July Fairies, which starts June 15th. How does that look? Hi everyone, it's Darla from Crafty Yarn Owl. Welcome. So how's everyone doing? You saw in the first clip that I was dusting off my fairy wings because Christmas in July Fairies is starting in 2 days on June 15th. So watch for people's videos where they will be asking you to enter to become a semi-finalist. I'm so excited. This is the 3rd annual Christmas in July Fairies. I'm so excited. So so you'll see the video on June 15th. All right, so I have some happy mail. Oh, happy mail. It just excites me so much to receive happy mail because it means someone's thinking of me, taking the time to package something up just for me. You know, and paying to ship it, and it takes time, it takes money, it takes thought, and I so appreciate that. So this package is from Ms. C's Cottage. Let me just make sure. Yes, Ms. C's Cottage. I wanted to make sure I got the name right. Ms. C does not have content on her channel, otherwise I would link her below. But yeah, so let's take a look at what she sent me. I'm excited. I cut it open, but I did not look. Okay. All right. So what have we got? We have a card. That's me. We have a cute little card. Oh my goodness. Oh, that is so cute. Look. Look how cute that is. I would love it if my cats could knit or crochet. Help me out a little bit. It's so cute. All right. Okay. I hope I can read this. All right. I'm gonna read this to you guys. Darla, found these and thought of you. So this must be in this package. Found these and thought of you. They are a thank you for all of the time and effort that you put into making your podcast for us. Aw, thank you. I enjoy it. Oh, I enjoy talking to you guys so much. I not only attached one to the last loop on my hook when I finished for the evening, but also move it into the beginning stitch of my next row so as to track my progress for the day. Oh, I see. Okay. I hope you enjoy using them as much as I did finding them. Ms. C. Okay, so any guesses? Okay, Ms. C's Cottage. Let's see, she has a card here with her address, phone number, email address. I don't know if this is a business card, so I won't show it. Okay. Okay, let's... I can see through the package a little bit here. Oh my gosh. Okay, stitch markers. Oh my gosh, these are so beautiful. Oh, these are just so... Oh. Let's see, there are 5. They're different colors. Handmade with love. Rebecca Cute Crochet, it says. Oh, these are so precious. I don't know if I'm going to be able to spread them all out properly. Let me see. I'm going to try something here first. Okay. Okay. Let's just show them one by one. All right, one by one. Look. It is a pink owl. I hope that's focusing for you guys. So very cute. And then there's a white owl. Oh, that is so precious. I've had owls before, but none like this. This one is a red owl. And this one is a black owl. So pretty. Oh, I love them. And then this one is a turquoise owl. Thank you so much, Miss C. These are gorgeous. I love them so much. Oh my gosh. Love them. Thank you so much for, seeing these and sending them to me. You thought of me. Oh, thank you so much. All right. Oh my goodness. I think I'm going to put these on. I'm going to put one on this item I want to show you right now. I showed you the 2 yarns. It's a wrap yarns that I had put together, the 2 different skeins I showed the other day, and made my own unique colorway. It also makes the yarn thicker. And so I had put a picture right here of those 2 yarns, and then what it looks like all put into one unique colorway. And it's so fun to do that. It's fun to see how they're going to turn out. So if you do that, make sure you post some pictures in my Facebook group. That's always linked below. You can put anything yarny in there that you like. Okay, so I just attached it to the project I'm working on. I used a matchy color. Okay, so this is the cake that I made that I'm working with right now, and I love how the colors turned out. So let's take a look at the progress on the design I'm making, and it will be a tutorial eventually, but I'll be using different yarn in the tutorial. Probably, yeah, well, it probably will be a thicker yarn. It's just easier to do tutorials with thicker yarn. Yeah. So anyway, it's going to be a summer top, but if you make it longer, it could be a beach cover-up, even a dress. So I showed it the other day, and it was pretty small, right? Well, now it's grown. It grows wider and longer as you make it, so it is size adjustable. But look at this yarn. The next colors are showing up in the pattern. So what do you guys think? I was excited when, okay, where am I at? Right here. Like it went from the turquoise into the greeny colors, and then it started going into the orangey colors. And that's what I'm in right now. The turquoise, let's see. Yeah, in the center there, like there's still the green in it too, and then there's the turquoise and the orangey gold color. So that's how that's working up here. And I think it just is turning out so nice, so summery. This is going to be nice and lightweight, even with doubling this yarn. these two yarns. So what do you guys think? It goes like this, and as I continue making rounds, it's going to get wider and it's going to grow longer. So what do you guys think? I'm really excited to get this finished. I'm always excited to get my crochet projects finished. But you know, life, there's just so much to do. And yesterday, we had gone to my sister-in-law's grandchildren's birthday party. Two of them were, their birthdays are close together, so she had a party for the both of them. And it was a lot of fun, and so much fun watching kids open gifts. Just so much fun. So yeah, this is it. There will be a tutorial on this, like I said, but there's going to be a tutorial on a different top before that. I'm trying to push out a lot of summer tops, and I'll have my tutorial playlist linked below so that you can look through it, see if there's anything you like. And I just love when you guys make my designs or other people's designs and then post them in my Facebook group. I love it, and it inspires others, and we get to see what kind of yarns you use, what colorways you use, and it's just very, very inspiring, and just so, I don't know, what's the other word I want to use? Just inspiring and thoughtful. I don't know. But it's so special. Yeah. Okay, you guys, so that is it for this video. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you, Miss C, for all these beautiful owl stitch markers. I love them. Thank you so much for that. And everyone, please join me soon for Christmas in July Fairies. All right, see you next time. Bye.